there are very important and urgent matters that we have to take up this morning. I understand si Engineer Henry Alcantara has a prepared sinumpang salaysay. Would you confirm that, Engineer?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you are assisted by your counsel?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yeah, okay. Can you please take your seat beside the Secretary of the Department of Justice para yung nasa vantage point ka? Yung counsel mo, pwede nando sa likod para you can advise him. Are you ready?
Mr. Chair, I wish I can make a few clarificatory questions before
later.
we start. But these are prejudicial questions, Mr. Chair.
Later. Let's hear first from the principal with this morning.
No, but these are prejudicial questions.
Okay,
Mr.
go ahead,
Chair.
go ahead.
Foremost to my mind, Mr. Chair, is the integrity, the impartiality, and the objectivity of the proceedings of this committee. Mr. Chair, you were interviewed on Billionario Channel by Miss Pinky Webb. Basahin ko po, sabi niya, Senator Ping, para sa inyo, sino ba ang sabihin natin worth it or dapat na ikonsidera na state witness na ipasok man lang dito sa Witness Protection Program? And you responded, at this point between Diskaya and Bryce Hernandez, Mr. Chair, question is, does the chairman has the prerogative or the right to make judgment?
No. That's my perspective, no? That's my personal opinion outside of the hearing or outside of this hall. So don't question my opinion.
I am not questioning your opinion, Mr. Chair, but you are the chairman of this committee.
Anyway, let's proceed with the
You are not interested in the prejudicial question that I am going to raise, Mr. Chair?
Go ahead, you raise your prejudicial.
Kaya sinasabi ko sa inyo
You're
an
questioning my
investigator,
opinion.
we are investigating.
Away kagat tayo rin.
Mr. Chair, we are still
Hearing is suspended.
investigating.